let's talk about managing risk. So what is risk? So risk is something that could prevent an organization from meeting its goals and objectives. Now that's pretty broad, right? Well, there's a lot of risks. So one of the things you can start doing, and I think this could be a really interesting exercise, then rather than using your 8-ball and saying, okay, what's the answer to, is this going to cause some financial hardships for our organization? You don't want to use this to answer. Work on it together. As you think about the kickoff team that's working with you on your grant, think about having them part of the conversation and different people within your organization, even some of your partners. And I like this risk matrix. I don't know how many of you are project management professionals, but this is a common tool or method to assessing risk. And so thinking about the likelihood of a certain event and the impact that it could have. And you can see that you want to be away from that sort of critical certain phase. And if you do, what are you going to do to mitigate that? How are you going to ensure that you are not going to be in a position where that's going to impact the success of your grant and the implementation of it? So really thinking about this from the beginning stages.